Hey everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel. I thought I would come on and just do a quick chat-in video with you just to talk about a couple of changes you might have noticed over my channel in recent months. So when I first started this channel in June 2020, my goal was always to provide lots of great videos with decorating techniques, predominantly for cookies, but also baking as well, some cupcake work, buttercream, royal icing, and fondant as well. Unfortunately, in August this year, I actually started to have a bit of a problem with my left shoulder, and that's actually meant that I've had to stop piping, which you've probably realized from the content that I've been posting more recently. So for now, I've kind of reverted back to baking videos, but I am getting some treatment on my shoulder. Hopefully some of the nerve damage and the tear that I have in it will heal over time with the treatment as well. And then I can get back to doing more cookie decorating videos for you. What I do have coming up soon though that I really wanted to tell you about because I'm so excited for it is we're going to have a new Christmas cookie series where I'm going to show you some really easy recipes that you can bake for gift giving for Christmas. If you like to make different cookies that you can pop in a jar to give to friends and family or even to take to work, then this will be a great series for you. That's going to kick off at the beginning of December, and then hopefully, shoulder permitting, I'll be able to get back to do some decorating. Most likely it will be fondant work, maybe some light piping with buttercream as well. And then hopefully in the new year we can get back to royal icing. So if you're not familiar with previous videos that I've done, make sure you check out my playlist that I have for you. I have lots of royal icing ones. I have my Christmas decorating series from last year as well. So make sure you check that out. And of course, always make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like and comment on videos as well. I always appreciate seeing that you've had fun watching my videos. Let me know if you've learned something from them as well. And always just thank you for being here. Thanks for sticking by me while I'm dealing with this. Hopefully we can get better and start to do more cookie work in the new year. And until then, please just enjoy the rest of my baking videos and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.